EXP CMR IP PoE DPTZ explosion-proof digital pan tilt zoom camera from Larson Electronics is designed for security and remote observation in both indoor and outdoor hazardous environments. This high-resolution day-night camera features 64 GB internal storage. The security device comes with the following explosion-proof ratings: Class 1 Divisions 1 and 2 Groups B, C, and D, Class 1 Zone 1, and Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2 Groups E, F, and G. Constructed of heavy-duty aluminum, the unit supports 360-degree fisheye panoramic surround views and up to 5 independent camera views at once on the screen. This camera provides operators in hazardous areas with crisp, high-resolution images up to 3072 by 2048. Operators may choose from the following viewing modes: fisheye, horizontal panoramic, and EPTZ quad view. This device features two-way audio using a built-in speaker and microphone. This security camera is designed to perform under harsh and rugged conditions and is for use in extreme environments. This IP66 rated waterproof unit resists the corrosive effects of weather, dust, dirt, and humidity. This camera has two 3/4-inch NPT drilled and tapped conduit openings that are available for wiring. This explosion-proof camera features power over Ethernet, which enables data transfers and power to be passed through a single Ethernet cable. This camera can be mounted on flat surfaces via an adjustable trunnion mount. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.